Hey ChatGPT, how do you know if you love someone? Determining whether or not you love someone can be a deeply personal and subjective experience, as love is an intricate emotion that can vary from person to person. While there is no definitive formula for recognizing love, here are some common signs that may indicate you are in love with someone. 1. Strong emotional connection. You feel a deep emotional bond with the person and genuinely care about their well-being. Their happiness and success bring you joy, while their pain or sadness affects you deeply. 2. Thinking about them constantly. You find yourself frequently thinking about the person, even when they are not around. They occupy your thoughts, and you may daydream about a future together or reminisce about shared experiences. 3. Prioritizing their happiness. You genuinely want the best for them and prioritize their happiness and well-being. Their needs and desires become important to you, and you are willing to make sacrifices or compromises for their sake. 4. Feeling a sense of comfort and security. Being with them or thinking about them brings you a sense of comfort, safety, and contentment. You feel at ease in their presence and can be yourself without fear of judgment. 5. Deep admiration and respect. You hold the person in high regard and respect their qualities, values, and achievements. You appreciate who they are as an individual and feel inspired by their actions and character. 6. Physical and emotional attraction. You are not only attracted to them physically but also feel a strong emotional connection. Their presence and touch evoke positive emotions, and you feel a desire for intimacy and closeness. 7. Willingness to support and commit. You are willing to support them through both good and challenging times. You envision a future with them and are open to committing to a long-term relationship. Remember, these signs can be helpful indicators, but it's essential to give yourself time and reflect on your feelings. Love is a complex emotion, and it may evolve and deepen over time. Communication and open dialogue with the person you have feelings for can also help in understanding your emotions and building a stronger connection. Subscribe for more videos like this.